when dealing with common nail problems like dry, cracked cuticles. For example, to moisturize and strengthen nails and cuticles, apply neem oil, popularly used in India, and then wrap the hands in hot towel for about 20 minutes. Colorless henna powder dissolved in boiled water and applied to nails with a cotton swab may also condition nails. Nails may suffer daily wear and tear, especially if you frequently wash dishes, scratch things using your fingernails, and use the hands for many other habitual tasks like typing on your computer keyboard, and so on. In some cases, nails may discolor or have white spots. Discolored nails may be treated using all-natural solution. Look for one obtained from citrus extracts. Nail discoloration may occur because of trauma of some sort, accidentally bumping your fingers, a fungal infection, or a deficiency in minerals like zinc. If the latter is the case, you need to deliver nutrients internally. You can make your nails grow healthy and strong by eating gelatin, fresh fruits and vegetables, lean meats, and drinking lots of water. Nail care products like an intensive cuticle salve or a fast-drying builder to help thicken also promote stronger, healthier-looking nails. Chemical-free products are ideal. Others directly use herbs like garlic, rubbed on nails, to strengthen their nails. Take premium quality supplements, without preservatives and artificial flavors, that can help build healthy nails, and improve skin and hair as well, in the absence of vitamin-rich fruits and veggies in your pantry. Effective strengthening products depend on the ingredients they're formulated with to build and protect nails. An example of a helpful ingredient is calcium fluoride. Ditch those with formaldehyde. Besides taking multivitamins and using products designed to build collagen and keratin and prevent brittle nails, adopt good habits. Use gloves when puttering in the garden or doing household chores, and avoid the tendency to scrape off price stickers off newly bought items using your nails. Let your nails get a breather also from day-to-day nail polish. Having healthy, strong and attractive nails can up your looks a notch and can speak volumes about your character. It can show whether an individual is sloppy or attentive to personal grooming. Remember these nail care tips, which many tend to overlook. While it can be fun to choose the best fashion colors and formulas to paint fingers and toes with, don't forget to take good care of nails so they remain in healthy condition. Use safe and good quality nail care products, too.